Hi Dave, I just wanted to thank you for the great service you gave me recently.
You are welcome, Judy, but you look like you are down in the dumps about something. How can I help?
I am looking for a better way to sell my widgets. As a small business person, I have limited funds available for advertising. It seems like everybody has a great idea to promote my widgets, but I seem to be spending a lot of money in various ways to advertise, and no widgets are being sold. What have you done to grow your business?
I, like you, have been very frustrated over the years by writing checks and not achieving results. I always recommend joining a referral group, like the one I have belonged to for quite some time now. It is called MBA, which is short for Metro Business Alliance.
Aren't those referral clubs just a lot of people talking gossip to each other?
Absolutely not. Our organization is truly a business referral organization. We meet once a week, and follow a specific agenda. Our members treat it as a business meeting, just as you would any business appointment. All of our members believe that word-of-mouth marketing is the most powerful marketing there is.
That sounds easy. Will I get widget orders every week?
The easy part is selling yourself and your widgets. Word of mouth is relationship selling over the long term. It takes time to cultivate relationships, but the benefits are fantastic.
What benefits are there if I am not selling widgets?
By nurturing relationships with the other members, you end up teaching them more and more about your business. The end result is that you increase your sales force and end up with a bunch of new friends who want you to succeed.
Boy oh boy, it sounds like I need to bring my order pad to the meeting.
It is not just a one-way street. The other members are looking to increase their business as well. The more involved you are, the deeper the relationship becomes, and pretty soon the group members bring you qualified referrals that assist your sales.
I see. So it appears that support for my business occurs by supporting others' business.
Exactly. Plus there is only one member from each profession. That way you are the widget expert for the group. It is the best way that I have found to increase business.
But how can a widget maker pass referrals?
You would be amazed at the number of people you know if you would just sit down and start to think about who you know that you could refer a member of the group to. Just casual conversation will create referrals for the group.
I see. Right now I could use a new hairdresser, auto mechanic, gardener, and decorator. Can I come to a meeting to see how it all works?
Certainly, I will email you all the information. Remember that the Metro Business Alliance is your pathway to a great future.
Thank you so much. You have just made my widgets very happy.